Aloha family, I'm going to make our favourite dish in Samoa, Faiai Eleni.
And I test the recipes of the internet so you don't have to. Today we're making Faiai Eleni with meals with mills.
Well, I'm going to cut my onion.
Cut my onion, and the recipe's in the caption.
Next one, we will add our tuna fish. I'll drain the juices.
Look, I have a can opener, but I'm going for extra Samoan authenticity points by using a big sharp knife. Look at me go. But for real, I'm excited to learn how to make these Samoan dishes. I'm loving being able to reconnect with my culture in a new way through food.
I'm going to add some salt, a bit of black pepper.
I'm going with salt, and I ran out of black pepper, so I'm going white pepper. Racist.
Coconut cream, a mixture of taro and coconut cream from my local supermarket. That's 1 cup. 2 cups.
Alright, we're going full Samoan measurement mode. Here we go. 1 cup. Just kidding, I'm too palangi for that. I'm using an actual cup. I know what you're thinking, not the near cup. And did you know Samoans can open a can with a spoon? Ta-da! You know what? I almost forgot to add my onion in, but we're adding it in now and it's smelling
So
amazing.
it's time for us to dish our Faiai Eleni in our shell.
Here I am prepping the coconuts like a real island guy. Definitely didn't get my wife to do it for me. I used some tinfoil to stabilize some of the coconuts before filling it up and chucking it in the oven at 160 fan bake for about 40 minutes until it was thick like this. Served it up with some fa'ali fukalo, and honestly this was so good. Shout out to Meals with Mills for the collab. Go check out our page and follow me for more internet recipe testing. Okay, love you, bye.